welcome to the Local Lifestyle, where we do all things DIY and home decor. Now in this week's video, I have a thrift haul for you guys. So I visited a thrift store about a few weeks ago. I went there to donate some clothes and I decided to just give away some of the items that were in my cupboard that I wasn't wearing anymore. So I researched some charity stores around my area. I live in Durban, by the way, so I was like, okay, cool. Then I found one which was in Glenwood, I want to say. I haven't been in Durban for long. Well, it's been like 1 year, but so I'm still getting used to the different areas and the different suburbs. So I think it's in Glenwood. It's called the Charity Shop Hop. So it's on Helen, which is basically like a long street version of Cape Town. I saw it here. Anyway, so it's on that road called Helen, so it's called Charity Shop Hop. And when I walked in there, it was literally like an entire store. And obviously I've always loved like thrift shopping from the days of, like, you know, getting vintage clothes and that sort of thing. And there's so many like home decor items that I saw there, and like I could not resist. So I just looked around for a little bit after dropping off my things. I was like, okay, cool, just want to look around, see what you guys have. And after looking around, I ended up like buying a few things because I was like, there's such great quality items here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. There's quite a number of things here, so I'm going to make sure that I sort of pick them accordingly, because there's a lot of things that are sort of breakables. So when I go, here's another soap. Guys, let's play a drinking game every time you say soap, just like in my previous video. The things that I have here are mostly decor items, so not anything that you can actually use to eat with, drink with. I'm not really a big fan of buying like items that you can use like to prepare food with. So a lot of the things that I did get are like vases, mainly vases actually. But anyway, let me show you guys. Okay, cool. I'm gonna start with these items. So I got, actually, no, I didn't get these there. I got these at this other old man that was selling baskets. So I saw these and I was like, oh my goodness, and he was selling these, I think, for 10 rand each. So to support him, I was like, cool, definitely gonna get myself these. So I didn't get these at the thrift store, but you know, thrift haul, let's rather include them anyway. And then what I actually did get at a thrift store, okay, I'll start with the vases. Well, they're all vases actually. But anyway, so got this. So all these were ranged about like 5 rand, 10 rand, but like nothing over like 30 rand basically. This was the 30 rand item. So this is like a big, long vase, however you guys pronounce it. And I got this. So a lot of these things I'm obviously going to use to decorate different sections of my home. And then I got these two sort of terracotta colored or terracotta type little, I don't know what to call these things. They're not cups, they're not like little bowls, I guess. And then inside are these little elephants. I thought these were so cute. I think these would make like nice sort of coffee table decor. So yeah, I was thinking of maybe putting like candles in here, like melting candle, and actually like putting in here because I really like this color. And then I got the mother of these two, which is this, which again, this is somebody you could use like for actual like preparing food in. But I was like, The only thing I didn't buy though, that is something that I'm gonna, you know, actually use as like, you know, for eating, ingesting, whatever, is I got these beautiful, but you'll see, it's like these beautiful glasses, champagne glasses. So the coupe style champagne glasses, I got those because I've always wanted them and just can't find them anywhere. And then I got this, look at this like nice beautiful texture. This could also add as like a melt candle in here. And then I got this. So there's a lot of little tiny teeny weeny little things. This you could put like a leaf or something. Also use it as like a vase or something. I just like the colors. I absolutely love these. So these were all Well, these two were a set. So it's like a very like what do you call it, pottery type style thing. I don't actually know the actual terms, but like very imperfect. I think these were like 5 rand or 5 rand each, or 20 rand, so 10. I can't remember, guys. It was like a while back. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. And then I got this. Also love this rustic feel about this one. And I've got so many other amazing things that I left there that I was like, oh my god, I want this, I want this, I want this. But then I was gonna end up just leaving with the entire store because everything was like 30 rand, 10 rand, 5 rand, 50 rand. And then I got this as well, like a mini vase. It's a very tiny, it's very tiny. And then I got these there as well. Although I'm not really crazy about this green tone to them, but I just took them anyway because I've been looking for some placemats with like a whole round of it. I'm not going to use these as placemats. I was thinking of using them for a DIY project. And I actually have to give a shout out to one of my subscribers who actually told me where to get the ones. I was looking for them in my previous video, and I said if anybody knows where I can find placemats similar to the ones that I got at, I'll show you these. I've got at Pep Home Haul, like my Pep Home Haul, you will see these there. So I said I was looking for ones that are literally like this without any sort of fabric thing on them, and I couldn't find where to get any of them. So one of my subbies was like, girl, let me plug you. Her name is Nokwanda Blochwa. Thank you so much, Nokwanda. I actually did go to Mr. Price and I actually did find them. I saw them. They like, I think for a pack of 4, they're like 200 rand. So thank you so much for that plug. I'm definitely gonna go get those because as much as I love these, I just don't like this black and white situation. But I mean, they also kind of serve a purpose, so I kept them. And then I've got this ginormous vase thing. This looks like something that obviously they might have used to pour like maybe milk or something. I don't know. If you guys know what this is normally used for, comment below and let me know. But I just loved it because I just thought it's like such a nice piece to add as decor. And then I've got this as well. You see how gorgeous these, like, and they're all such in perfect condition, like not chipped, nothing, like perfect condition. And then this one, which I'm not really crazy about the color because I don't like this pale pink, but I thought that the shape was kind of cute. But this, you can do a lot of spray paint, so I'm very excited to see what color I can change this into. And then I got these sort of cute like hands that are kind of like this. So I got that. I really like the color as well. I think they're so cute. And then I got this, which I think it's so amazing. It reminds me of like a Moroccan styled patterned jewelry box situation. And then I got this at a different thrift store. This is like a woven basket bag thing, but it's very flat. It's like flat. This was a bit pricey. It was like 125, but I really loved the color, I really loved the texture, and I really loved, so I just took this. But this is a different thrift store. This was a thrift store in Morningside, actually an antique store. Hey, and then I got some books and stuff just you can use to decorate, you know, your coffee table, you know, because I really like the covers and you know and this is actually like Reader's Digest, which I've always loved since like high school. I used to get in my hostel because I was in boarding school. They used to have these like a little bookshelf where they put like a whole lot of Reader's Digest, but at that time they were still like green, the green cover. I used to love reading those books with the stories and stuff. So this is actually one, so I probably might actually end up reading this one because it's different, like it's a collection of different like stories and novel type of situation. But I really love the cover, the color. So, and this one as well. This is like the Furniture Doctor, but I obviously got books that I also kind of relate. So color wise, love the cover, but also love the fact that they relate to things that I'm into, you know what I'm saying? Like this one is the furniture doctor, like tells you all about how to clean things and how to stain furniture and how to, you know, fix like cracks and stuff like that. Very useful, very, very useful, and it's like in perfect condition. And don't you just love the smell of old books? Does this one just smell amazing? Okay, a whole lot of other books, This one is like hand, sorry guys, I'm like making a noise here. Hand weaving and cloth design. But look at that. But even if, because I'm thinking like I took, it's nice here, but then it's even better when you take off the cover and you see just that beautiful color, or like that gold. That's the trick when you do thrift. If you're looking for any sort of coffee table books that you want to use to decorate your coffee table, this thing is so loud. Put it away. Is you just take off the cover and just to see what the color of that book is. This one is like a navy. See? So imagine these two next to each other. She wants shine. Do you get my drift? See what I'm trying to do? But sorry guys. But I did love this color though. So definitely going to, you know, you see what I mean? And like even together, like look at that, the spines are like this gold, like very bright gold, and this is like a cookbook. So on days when I'm feeling like Martha Stewart, these will come in very handy. Or maybe I'm, you know, trying to channel the lazy Makoti. Trust girl, this, oh boy, you can't forget the guys. Maybe the guys will probably end up subscribing to the channel. But I think that is all, guys. I think that is all that I actually got. Yeah, so do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Oh, before I forget, actually, so I did say that when we get to 100 subscribers, this was like I think a week ago or 2 ago, and at that time we were on 68 subscribers, and now we, did I show you guys this? I also got this, sorry, I digress. Now we are on, let me just check, let me check. We are 205 subscribers. You guys are honestly the real ones. Can you even believe this? Can you even believe this? Because I literally was saying this when I was at 68. This was like a week ago, and since then everybody has just been trickling in and subscribing. So I'm so glad that you guys love the content that I'm sharing. I'm so glad that you guys are commenting. So as promised, I want to give, just as a thank you, it's nothing big guys, it's nothing like hectic, it's nothing major, it's just like a thank you to getting me to 100 subscribers while at the time, and now to 205 subscribers. And as my way to thank you guys, I would like to do this awesome giveaway, which is 150 rands gift voucher from Mr. Price Home. And then I'd like to give away this rag that I got at, this rag that I got at not Mr. Price, at Paper Home a few weeks ago. If you haven't watched that video, you'll check it out on my Paper Home haul. You would have seen this. It was still in the packet and everything, but I just decided, you know what, I think it will be a very nice little something for someone at home. So this is gonna go to one lucky winner, and I think I'm gonna make it very simple, like the mechanic. I'm not gonna try and complicate it. All you guys have to do is just like drop me a comment below, and out of the 3 videos that I've posted, just let me know like which one is your favorite so far. That is it. Just comment down below and let me know which of my 3 videos, 3 or 4, which of my videos that I've uploaded so far is your favorite. Just drop that down below in the comments, and I will announce the winner sometime next week. I'll make sure to include the exact date on my description box. So keep a lookout for that winner announcement. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much again for subscribing Thank you so much for all the comments. I so appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you guys and to do more home decor, DIY, makeovers, so forth and so on, because I really create this content for you guys, and you guys are like my superstars. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good rest of the week, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye.